Up first this evening, a 27-year-old woman has been charged by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigations Branch CTOC after she faked being kidnapped and demanded a ransom from her own family. Viewer discretion is advised.
It looks like a scene from any Lifetime high-drama movie. A woman seemingly in distress as someone points a gun to her head. The video could arguably have been enough to scare any family whose relative has been kidnapped. Except it is all fake. The plot twist: according to the police, the woman pretending to be a victim is in fact the perpetrator. In a statement on Wednesday, the police identified the woman as Jamaica Miller, a customer service representative from Seaview Gardens. The police said on Monday, July 4, Miss Miller falsely conspired with her accomplices by stating that she was kidnapped while demanding money from her family members for her release. It's further stated that she sent her family members the video footage with a gun pointing at her head, but when her demands were not met, she reported that she was released on Spanish Town Road. The statement said an investigation was launched and it was theorized that the allegation was false. She was arrested and interviewed in the presence of her attorney, after which she was charged. Detectives assigned to the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigations Branch, CTOC, later charged Ms. Miller with extortion and creating public mischief. A date for the matter to be heard in court has not been finalized. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.